All right, so this is a high-O unit right here. So I'm not gonna catch any startup. So yeah, so this is a high-O unit, which is an ICP or a comfort maker. The suction line is very good shape. This one is in mint condition, and I don't see the logo by that side of the air conditioner here. So yeah, so there's the air conditioner. I think it's from the 2016 2-ton, and yeah, here you go. There's the houses of air conditioner, and that's it. And one of these houses is abandoned, so I'm not going to be able to go back here. So yeah, here's the air conditioner here, the ICP unit. It's got an Emerson Copeland scroll. I think it has 2 fan blades. And yeah, that's it. Peace out, folks.